So hello and welcome back fellow coin and banknote collectors, and in today's video we're looking at some banknotes. So these are good pickups that I think I have. One of them is pretty valuable, not too valuable, but that is this Tupaanga from Tonga, and the Tongan banknote has the king on it, and as you can see, I'll try and pronounce his name. His name is Tuafuahua Tapu the Fourth. Now, I know I haven't pronounced that properly. If anyone wants to make a video on how to pronounce it, that would be good. So these are the only specimen notes that I know that Tonga has issued. They might have issued some other ones, but this is a Tupaanga. They have issued these in half a paanga, 1, 5 and 10 denominations as well, and they're quite nice. So all of them have a different style of pattern in the center. Most of the other features are pretty much the same. So they've got the coat of arms of Tonga. So you've got Southern Cross, you've got Peace Dove, you've got the crown, you've got the flag, which is a red flag with a red cross on a white background. And then you have some arms there, and the motto in Tongan. And you have the king, you have 3 signatures. All the dates are the 1st of August 1978. And this one's has the number, so they all have a star at the start. The Tongan banknotes issued for circulation have a split letter and number, and this one's 7,245. This is the highest number I've actually found so far on eBay or even on the internet. So there's probably only like 10,000 of these issued. Could be less or could be more, don't know. And specimen. So this is not legal tender. And on the reverse, we have some people making, looks like blankets. And while it says legal tender, this is a specimen. So this was issued for collectors. So the value of this one's about in between $30 and $50. There is leeway, so I'd say an average is 40 in between that. So these are expensive banknotes. If you want to get the whole set, you're probably paying at least $100 to $200 for the set, because you get sets of anything. So sets of banknotes, sets of coins, you're going to be paying less money. So that's why a lot of people sell coins and banknotes individually. You can actually get a lot more money if than selling them all together. So that is one. Now, I'm going to resell this because I'm not really interested in specimen coins or banknotes, but it's just too good to actually pass up. Okay, 2 of them that I wanted to get into my collection because I like them. So these ones are not as expensive as the Tongan banknote. So here's the 1940s, the 50s banknote from Argentina, 10 pesos. So this was designed. The highest value they issued for this is 100 pesos. I think the lowest was 1 peso. Or it might be 5 pesos. I need to look that up anyway. It's quite a simple design, nice colour. The watermark is, can't identify that guy. Another watermark is the denomination, 10 pesos. They have their frozen date of 1935, which is will be the legislation, and it has Libertas, I believe, Argentine coat of arms. On the back, it's pretty simple, just have micro printing in the design. So this one in this condition, you're probably paying about $10 to $20. If you want an uncirculated one, wow, they're expensive. But I quite like this design. But the one I did want to get, and you can see why. This is a Colombian banknote, a 1 peso. You can buy these uncirculated for about $5 to $10. Here's the Andean condor. So that's related to vultures, the largest bird in the world. And it's the peso oro, so the silver peso. And on the back, we have 2 people. So this banknote was issued between 1959 and 1977, and it has Simon Bolivar, and Paul Santander. So 3 people related to the independence and Colombian first president. But this one is 1967. So it is quite an easy banknote to get. Some dates are more common than others. As you can see, this is the 10 millionth banknote. And it has the capital, Bogota of Colombia. And it's just a nice banknote. So you've got reds and blues, which go well together. If it had yellow, it would be an awesome banknote as well. But the main feature is the Andean condor on the back, which I've been wanting to get this for quite a while. Anyway, let me know which banknote is your favourite. I'll put my favourite on the top. As you can see, it's just a well-designed banknote. Anyway, the other banknotes of this series are not as good, and this is the best one you're going to get. Anyway, I'd say thank you very much for watching my video. Hope it helps you collect banknotes and coins, and take care. I shall leave some links down below.